You're gonna get bit by a fucking dog! God! Don't! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Don't reach!
Simple encounters between police and civilians can sometimes escalate into dramatic arrests.
What crime did I commit?
Hey, settle down.
What crime? Hey, that's assault, sir.
Like to be arrested?
Sir, don't touch my camera. That's
Like to be
assault.
arrested and
What did I
removed from
do?
property.
Let's explore the serious consequences that the police may face when wrongfully arresting an innocent person. A man returns home only to find his house engulfed in flames, and one question turns everything in a direction no one could have expected. A story you won't believe, but the camera caught it all.
Hey, Daryl. Daryl, can I talk to you for a second real quick? Of course. We're just going to go over everything. Here's the thing. I get this is a very stressful situation, okay? I have some concerns, though. When you pulled up, you looked kind of like you were kind of panicked and kind of when you pulled up in your car. I know you told me, I heard you saying that you smoked some marijuana. What else do you smoke?
Nothing.
Nothing else? Okay, do you use the wax and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay, when's the last time you smoked?
Last night.
Last night? Okay. Nothing today?
Nothing.
So just so I can be at peace of mind and dot my I's and cross my T's, would you mind doing a couple of tests to calm down, like taking a breath? I'd rather get it done real quick. I won't be... We can just go right here so your mom doesn't see it. We'll kind of draw the way.
Know what's happened.
Okay.
What's happening.
Let's just go here. Let's just we'll go in front of the drink.
What's really going on here? When does a house fire become a reason to investigate whether you're high? And it didn't stop there. They kept digging, looking for something, anything. That didn't add up.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Begin.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2005, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay. Next thing I have you do is stand feet touching like this, hands at your side, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you look at the tip of my pen with your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Just look here. So we're showing the same page. Go ahead and touch the tip of my pen with your finger. Awesome. Okay. All right. So only with your eyes only. Do not move your head.
Filtered my eyes a little bit.
Yeah, I got it. I saw it glaring off your eyes. Okay. All right. One more test, then we'll be done, okay?
Okay.
All right. It's going to be a walking test, okay? What I want you to do, imagine there's a straight line right here, all right? I want you to put your left foot on that line, put your right foot in front of that left foot.
Left foot on the line?
Yep, and then put your right foot in front of that. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. On the 9th step, leave your lead foot planted. Take a series of small steps, and 9 heel-toe steps back. I'm not going to do it just because off the safety, okay?
Okay.
Any questions on that?
No.
All right, begin.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, thank you. Hands like this for me. I'm going to have you do, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it. This, and have you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'd think that after such a stellar performance, things would finally come to a close. But no. Apparently, being too perfect is a crime. Passing the test doesn't matter. And then, what happened next will leave you speechless.
Thank you, Daryl. I appreciate it. Hey, talk to him real quick. I know we did the FSCs and stuff like that. And I want you to be honest with me, and I want to be honest with you as well, okay? My partner just ran her dog on your car.
It's not in the car.
Okay. That dog's trained to be able to train to in that car. I'm going to have you wait for an officer.
The car is... I just turned it on.
And then we'll have to wait for the officer. Do me a favor. Good for the search.
No meth, no heroin, no cocaine, not even a suspicious speck of white powder. But who needs evidence when you hold absolute power in your hands? Instead of stopping when nothing was found, they did the opposite. They pushed further, much further.
Also, this mattress, man, was under.
They entered the man's home, no warrant, no notice. Maybe they thought the Constitution was just the best-selling sci-fi novel on Amazon. This is when everything went off the rails.
Thank you. Anything in your pockets that have chicken for me to cut me?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm sick of making some gloves.
Do that. Grab some, get some gloves.
Well, I'm tough. Oh, he's going over. Anything else in here that you know about? Children's bucket.
From a legal expert's standpoint, the officers in this case likely violated several constitutional and statutory provisions. Arizona Revised Statutes 133-925, search warrant required. If a party in a criminal proceeding seeks to exclude evidence from the trier of fact because of the conduct of a peace officer in obtaining the evidence, the proponent of the evidence may urge that the peace officer's conduct was taken in a reasonable, good faith belief that the conduct was proper, and that the evidence discovered should not be kept from the trier of fact if otherwise admissible.
They should be able to get it easy. They never have problems running blood and they have to get it done for tests or whatever. Needle markers from donating plasma, by the way.
Sure. Hey. My wife donates plasma. She's trying to convince me, you should donate plasma!
Oh, it's maybe worth it to get like the bonuses for the first 8 times, but after that, no.
It's like, no, we're not going to do it anymore. Alright. Don't move. Josh, time?
1656.
If you don't find any meth or cocaine or any other illegal drugs, which I know you won't because I don't do them, will I be charged?
Well, I'll come talk to you. I don't want to make promises. I'm not going to make promises I can't beforehand, okay? I just try to be very straight with you with what I know at the moment in time.
Yeah, well, how about will I get arrested just because of the THC in my system? Or will I get a charge just because of the THC in my system?
It's the totality of the circumstances, everything in conjunction. Okay. So that's the best thing I can tell you.
I'm good, I got everything. I just need signature from you, actually.
In the end, the court dismissed all charges, no evidence, and the search was ruled unconstitutional. But even after being vindicated, the man was left with thousands in legal fees, immense emotional pressure, and a publicly tarnished reputation. Meanwhile, Officer Humphrey is under investigation for fabricating the grounds for arrest and violating civil rights, a harsh reminder that when those who enforce the law break it, the innocent are still the first to pay the price. Next, we turn to an incident that took place at the Scotiabank Saddledome, where filming in a public space was deemed illegal and even treated as a serious criminal offense.
Anything you want causing a disturbance?
Stop right in the ditch. Get! What?
Get off the property.
Excuse me, sir. Don't touch me.
I'm touching you.
Excuse
Get
me,
off the
sir. Why are
property.
you touching me?
Excuse me, sir. Don't touch me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Ouch, sir. What's your name, sir? What's your badge number?
5786.
Please, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Don't touch me, sir. I'm sorry. Please help me. Help.
On what seemed like an ordinary night at the Scotiabank Saddledome, April 10th, 2023, everything suddenly took a turn. A seemingly harmless encounter between police officers and a calm, cooperative man, and then in an instant, all boundaries were blurred.
Do not video me again, please. Do not video me again, please.
Get away, you're getting under arrest for causing a disturbance. Get off the property.
What did I do?
Get off the property.
Excuse me, sir. What did I do?
Excuse me, sir, as much as you want. Get off the
Excuse
property.
me, sir. What did I do?
Get off the property.
What
Intoxication, you want causing a disturbance? You want...
Stop right now. Get.
Of what?
Get off the property.
Excuse me, sir. Don't touch me.
I'm touching you.
Excuse
Get
me,
off the
sir. Why are
property.
you touching me? Excuse me, sir. Don't touch me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Ouch, sir. What's your name, sir? What's your badge number?
5786.
Please, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Don't touch me, sir. I'm sorry. Please help me. Help me. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. What was your name again?
5786 Washington.
And your name?
Washington.
Where you from?
5786.
The officers displayed aggression without stating any charges against him. But the story doesn't end there, because what you're about to witness will make you question justice, authority, and the price of silence.
Well, congratulations.
Yep.
You just lost your job.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. What did I do? Can you please state what crime that I committed?
You've been told.
What crime did I commit?
You've been told.
What crime? State it, please, for the camera. What crime did I commit?
Hey, settle down.
What crime? Hey, that's assault, sir.
Would you like to be arrested?
Sir, don't touch my camera. That's
Would you like to be
assault.
arrested and
What did I
removed from this
do?
property?
What crime did I commit, sir?
Public intoxication.
Sir, what? I'm in. You served me.
Public
They served me.
intoxication,
I'm in private.
causing a disturbance.
Guys. Don't touch my camera. Leave my camera on. Leave my camera on. Leave my camera on. I will stop resisting. Please leave my camera on.
Right now you're under arrest for public intoxication and causing a disturbance.
Please leave my camera on, sir. I can't breathe.
No answers,
Please
No
leave my
charges.
camera on.
no explanation.
Do
Only
not turn my
commands,
phone off,
handcuffs,
please.
And the chilling silence of
did
those
I
who wear the
do?
badge. Is this
What did
truly
I do?
law
What
enforcement?
crime?
Stop talking,
Or is
I'm
it
gonna
power
read your
abuse
charter.
disguised as righteousness?
What crime? Please leave my camera on. I'm not fighting. Nobody's fighting. Sir, what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
Said it 3 times now, won't say it again.
What crime was it? Do not turn my phone off, please. What did I do? What did I do? What crime?
Stop talking, I'm going to read you your charter. This means that before we proceed with our investigation, you may call any lawyer you wish or a lawyer from a free legal advice service immediately. If you want to call a lawyer from a free legal advice service, we'll provide you with a telephone, and you can call a toll-free number for immediate legal advice.
I paid you $1,000 when I was a car or something.
If there's something you don't understand, I'd like you to tell me so I could help reiterate this to you.
I don't understand.
What part don't you understand, sir?
What crime I committed?
Okay. So,
I don't understand.
you'll be charged with public intoxication and causing a disturbance. You're not obliged to say anything unless you wish to do so, but whatever you say may be given in evidence. Do you understand?
A cell phone is only weapon in this uneven confrontation. And then, someone tried to take it. What makes holding a phone and filming so worthy of suppression?
All right, Brandon. Thank you. Is it Brandon or Brendan?
Whatever you want to.
All right, Brandon. I guess.
What was your name?
I already told you, Travis.
Travis, but what was your badge number?
5109.
These cuffs are super tight.
I didn't put them on. I'll just be taking them off.
Pushing me, man.
All right, this one right here is coming out.
Y'all guys got a tough job, and I don't know why y'all walk that blue line like that, man. Tonight I was not in the wrong.
We're not accusing you of anything.
I know.
We're
You guys are mad that I came out. I shouldn't have done
I'm
it.
not mad at anything.
But I'm just saying.
We weren't doing anything to you. You didn't put them on?
We weren't the ones that
But this is our police truck that you were put into.
You're not allowed to go back to property. So, sorry, sir. Hey, Joel, I'm just gonna take a quick picture of my wrist, though, sir. Hang on, Joel. I'll call you right back, sir. So
Yes, sir.
Here's your stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
You're at the Earl,
I gotta take a quick.
Earlton LRT.
I'm sorry, can I just get the bag number?
Okay,
5109. Travis, 5109.
Do you want your stuff?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Sir.
4980. 4980.
No. Watch this, bro. Watch this. This is how to get me down.
Yeah.
Come on, boys. Watch this. Just watch.
You're also in her face, so I would do it. I would have done it too.
After a search revealed no wrongdoing, the man was eventually released. The camera captured actions suspected of involving excessive force and violations of constitutional rights. If confirmed, the officers could face lawsuits, investigations, and even criminal charges. One video in a storm waiting to erupt. When those sworn to uphold the law break it, the innocent bear the cost. Stand for justice, because silence in the face of abuse is never neutral.
Does anybody know where that's at? I'm gonna fucking kill you! Don't fucking move! You're gonna get bit by a fucking dog! No! Don't! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! I'm gonna fucking kill you! I'm trying to show you! I'm trying to show you! Fucking reach! I'm trying to kill you!
The surveillance began as a routine operation, but it escalated into chaos when Lucas Ellerman, hiding in the back seat, made a sudden, dangerous move. The chase was intense, destructive, and full of fear. Officers boxed in Ellerman's truck, but the real tension arose when the situation took a darker turn. Was there a way to prevent this volatile escalation?
Get on the other side, Scott. No. I'm gonna fucking kill you! If you don't, do you understand me? You're done! I got a pistol. You're fucking done! He's got a gun! Oh my head! He's got a gun on me, Simmons! Don't fucking move! Scott, get my dog! You're gonna get bit right now! Get the fuck out of here! I'm gonna put a bullet in your brain! Smoke this cigarette! Get out of here right now! I'm done
Officer Dan Lesser's arrival added a sharp intensity to the scene. His anger-filled actions and voice only heightened the tension. Ellerman, trapped and fearful, hesitated, but his uncertainty was met with escalating threats. The situation quickly spiraled, reaching a point where the officers' responses only seemed to escalate the danger. Could the response have been more measured?
with you! Get out of here, you're gonna get bit! I'm coming, please, don't. Get out of here, I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh. Watch that. I don't have a gun! You! Come here! Show me your hands! Here! I give up! Get your dog! Me! Stuff's done. Boost, I got him. Wait, relax, we got him. Boost! Farting! I'm not! Get your hands out! I got this. Oh, I had it. I got this one. Get the other one. Get the other one. Boy, so stun. Good boy, so stun. Don't get your hands up. I'm done. Boy. I can't breathe. I don't have a gun. I do. Alright, everybody can slow it down. We got one in custody. Alright, you done now? Yeah. You done? Yeah. Lay flat. We're gonna search you.
The dog lunged into the cab of the truck, sinking its teeth into Ellerman. His cries of pain filled the scene as officers pulled him from the vehicle. Despite his insistence that he was unarmed, Officer Scott Lesser struck him in the head, claiming Ellerman had reached for his waistband. Moments later, Ellerman lay handcuffed in the snow, bloodied and defeated.
We're gonna search you. Quit moving your hands around. Glove up, glove up. Hang on. Here. You good? Okay.
Oh, my leg.
Yeah, there's no weight on your leg.
Oh, no. Can I please turn on my side?
In a minute, in a minute.
I'm not lying.
If you can talk, you can breathe.
I can't, I swear to fucking God.
It's all your fault, so.
Oh my God, my leg.
Okay,
Oh my
radio
God.
13.
Oh my leg. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm not running. I just need to move my leg.
15 on radio. If that's you, can you start medics?
Oh my God.
There's something round up here.
It's a lighter, dude. Oh my God, don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh my God. I'm not gonna run
Anymore.
There's nothing I can find down here.
Okay, just make sure he said he had a gun, so. This dude's going to jail. Can one of you guys go back to Mark? This dude's under arrest. Who's driving this car? He's down this way.
Okay, you want to roll him on his ass?
Andy, we got one in custody.
Oh my God.
Anything. Do you have a cage? I do. All right, we're going to stand you up. We're going to have you have a seat in the patrol car, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to search you again.
Okay.
Do you have any questions about what we're going to do? Huh?
Oh my God, my fucking leg hurts so bad.
All right, up we go. Stand up.
Oh.
Walk over here.
Oh, I can't.
You're going to have to.
Oh.
Dude, you got to walk.
My fucking leg just...
Ellerman's guilty plea for attempting to elude police and possession of a stolen vehicle resulted in a 70-month sentence, but his arrest remains controversial. Critics claim the use of the canine was excessive, and Officer Lesser's aggressive behavior fueled accusations of unprofessional conduct. The incident raised concerns about the policing culture and the quick resort to force.
You know how lucky you're not dead right now?
I wish I would be.
Seriously, dude, I about shot you.
You should have.
Why'd you tell me you had a gun for?
So you shot me.
Why? Why do you want to die? Huh?
Can I please smoke a cigarette, man?
No, dude, you got nothing to bank with me. After all that?
Why didn't you shoot me?
Because I just didn't feel like killing anybody today. Is that okay?
Man.
Who lives in apartment 328? I don't know. We're out here trying to deal with something in the house parking lot. So I'm trying to insinuate or incite everybody else to fight and cause problems. So we're up here trying to arrest them and refuse to open the door.
Brandon Raig's arrest for public intoxication on his balcony raises serious concerns. The police's overreaction to his harmless shouts shows a disturbing disregard for constitutional rights. Were their actions truly necessary, or were they a blatant violation of Raig's freedoms?
Brad, come on, man. Obviously, I'm trying to get in. I don't have a right. She's sitting on my bike, and she came up, and the other girl just started swinging on her. Huh?
About it. Figure it out. Figure it the out.
These were so loud, and we had just talked to the manager. He was going back. He comes up doing the same thing. Do what? So I was just, oh, dude. And I'm like, just come up and talk to me, and I'll tell you. Turning it off right now.
Hey, if you yell again, I'm going to arrest you.
Hey, stop right now. You're going to go to jail.
I didn't do anything.
I don't care. You're agging it on. Stop. Yes, you did. If you want to test the waters, you'll go in cuffs.
I didn't do anything.
Okay. All right. Keep it up. I'll take you to jail. Yeah, absolutely.
The officers mistakenly charged Raig under Section 525.60, despite the fact that his balcony was private, not public. How could they have overlooked such a clear distinction? It's frustrating when law enforcement misinterprets basic legal details, leading to unnecessary charges. Were they really just doing their job?
Works for me. Don't worry about it. I got keys to your apartment.
Officer Lalamandir's use of an old key card to enter a locked building raises serious concerns about privacy violations. This blatant disregard for legal protocols is unsettling, highlighting a disturbing pattern of law enforcement failures. How could such a clear breach of rights occur without any consequences?
I don't know, we're out here trying to deal with some everyday house parking lot and it cause problems, so we're up here trying to arrest them and refuse to open the door. I can hear them in there. They were all talking on the balcony until somebody came up and knocked on the door, didn't they? No, I came in to work a detail and they just had an incident happen over at Holiday House parking lot, and he's been told and warned multiple times to come back inside and cut it out, and he wanted to sit there and just keep jawjacking, so
if anyone else is in there, this is considered hindering.
Mr. Raig's arrest, threatened under disorderly conduct, seems unwarranted. His speech from a private balcony didn't fit Kentucky's legal definition of disorderly conduct. The officers ignored due process, overstepping their bounds, and lacked probable cause. This highlights an alarming disregard for individual rights and legal standards by law enforcement.
Sorry to wake you in the middle. This guy's, he's pushed the bar too far tonight. So this is Sierra Steps' apartment. Well, her apartment has caused 9 kinds of chaos here tonight. Just FYI, I don't know what you want to do on your end about it, but 328's a problem. Sierra, I need you to come to the door. This is Officer Lawnder, Newport Police. Sierra Step, come out to the door and talk to me.
I'm serious, boy. We're out in the hall. She's in the office right now.
So who's in her apartment right now?
Nobody's in there.
There is somebody in there.
I'll unlock the door right now for you.
I know Melissa, and we're getting ready to look at the cameras.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I don't know what happened, but...
So where's he at? Because you got options to work with us or be hindering.
I'll work with you guys as much as you want.
So where'd he go? Because you're coming from that way.
So actually, no, fuck that. I'm not letting you guys go in there.
We're not going to go in there, but if he's in there, he'd be
nobody's in there.
Pretty sure he just changed.
Oh, that's cool. Is it really that big of a deal?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's fine.
I think it's him.
It's him. He just changed shirts.
Yeah.
Oh, is that it?
You're slick. It's funny.
Yeah, that was a stupid move.
The officers charged Raig with public intoxication in a secure hallway, a private space violating the law's requirement for a public place. His behavior did not endanger or annoy others, making the charge unjustified. This seems like an overreach by the police, unnecessarily escalating a minor situation.
What do you mean?
It's obviously you.
So, guys,
we gave him all.
I live down the hall. I am Sierra's boyfriend.
What apartment do you live in?
So how come
you can call her?
I am calling her.
Yeah, do it.
So
I can unlock my apartment right now for you guys.
350 what?
357.
357. Anyways, I'll holler back at you after we clear.
My brother's a lieutenant in Florence. I respect the.
All right, that'll work then. Thank
so
you.
when we're
I really do. No, trust me. That's not me.
Melissa's getting up right now. I mean, dude, here's the thing.
No.
Here's the thing. We know it was you, all right?
No, you don't.
You want to make a bet? I can find out real quick.
Are you serious?
Yeah, absolutely.
100%. We told you out there. You didn't listen.
Dude,
this is the
I live here.
You shouldn't be.
Guys, come on. Really?
We worked with you. We gave you multiple times.
I'm trying to work with you.
Raig's legal victory in October 2024, when the public intoxication charge was dismissed, reveals the injustice of the police's actions. His lawsuit against Officer Lalamandir and the Newport Police Department for violating his rights exposes the reckless abuse of power and highlights the importance of holding law enforcement accountable.
This is funny.
It's going to be near the Five Guys. Caller is now running.
This is crazy. Guys, come on. Like, seriously, this is crazy. That's my old idea. That's my new one. They're both real. Alright, come on. I got you, man. I'm not gonna read this. No, you're not. I know. I promise, dude. Like, I promise I respect you guys.
Go to the left. Do you care if I put him in the back of your car, run get my car, and I'll come back over here and get him? That way I don't have to walk him all the way over in front of the levee.
Gotcha.
See?
Gotcha.
Several statutes were violated during this interaction. First, Section 525.60 of the Kentucky Revised Statutes, which governs disorderly conduct, requires that the act take place in a public space. The officer's misapplication of this law to Rague's actions on his private balcony was a critical error. Additionally, the Fourth Amendment protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. Officer Lalamandier's use of an old key card to access the locked apartment building without a warrant likely violated this constitutional right. As established in United States v. Carrer and other rulings, police officers must obtain consent or a warrant to enter private spaces, particularly in the case of locked apartment buildings. Lastly, the charge of public intoxication under Section 222.22 also appears to be improperly applied, as the statute requires that the individual be in a public place and exhibit behavior that endangers others or causes significant annoyance. The hallway, being a private area, and Rague's behavior, which did not meet the legal criteria for intoxication, suggests that this charge was unfounded.
Walk over
I just had surgery, sir. I'm not.
Look,
what are you doing?
Hands behind your back. Don't put your hands behind your back and go into jail right now.
Putting my hands behind my back.
What is going on with you?
I told the guy I just had surgery. You don't have to do it.
A recent traffic stop in Long Beach exposed shocking police misconduct. Despite informing officers of his recent surgery, the man was detained and subjected to excessive force. This clear violation of civil rights raises a critical question. How many more innocent individuals suffer from this unchecked abuse of power?
How's it going, sir? Can you stay in the car for me? Hi.
I live here, so I don't have no weapons.
Okay, well, you can stay in the car. All right, you know what? Come over here. Fine.
Yeah.
Come over here. Very well.
No weapons.
Interlace your fingers behind your head. Okay. I'm going to speak slow. Interlace your fingers. Hey, sir, stop. Stop. I will grab it.
This is actually my paperwork for my surgery yesterday.
Okay.
Wait. I just had surgery.
Just relax your hands. You're not listening.
I just had surgery.
Hey,
that's my paperwork.
You're doing a lot of talking, not a lot of listening.
I am.
Stop.
If you hurt me, I will sue you.
Put your hands
I
on your
just
back.
had
I'm
surgery
giving you a
yesterday.
warning.
You hurt me, I will sue you.
Stop.
Don't threaten me.
Okay.
I will get hurt.
Come over here, Johnny. Johnny, come over here.
Don't force me. I just had surgery.
The traffic stop escalated unnecessarily. Despite the man explaining his recent surgery, officers disregarded his medical needs and used excessive force, threatening tasers, pepper spray, and restraint. The lack of compassion is concerning. Why didn't the officer show any understanding for his condition?
Walk over I just had surgery, sir. I'm not. Look, what are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Don't put your hands behind your back and go into jail right now. What is going on with you?
I told the guy I just had surgery. You don't have to do it. I just had surgery. Please be careful.
Where'd you have surgery? Come here. What is your issue? Have a seat.
I just had cancer.
What is your issue?
It's no issue. I just want the
The officers showed no empathy for the man's medical condition, escalating the situation with verbal threats and excessive force. Their lack of clear communication and conflicting instructions only made things worse. Why was this confrontation even necessary when the man was simply trying to pull into his driveway?
What is your issue?
There's no issue.
Okay, why can you not listen to anything we're saying? Why do you think you're running the show here? You saw us back there pulling you over. You kept driving into your driveway.
Yes, sir. Have December tags on them. Actually, it's June. So that's why I pulled in the driveway, sir.
Because you're not listening.
I was explaining to him I just had surgery.
That's fine. You're still not listening.
I'm listening.
Now you are. After we got to this point. Can you turn the radio off?
His aggressiveness, that's why, officer. I would just.
You still weren't listening to me. You weren't listening to my partner here.
There was 3 people talking to me at the same time.
No. We each individually tried to talk some sense into you.
And then when my paper flew down.
And I caught it. So why does it have to get to this point?
It doesn't.
Then why did it? Why can't you just listen to what we have to tell you?
I was coming back home.
What are you supposed to do? That's not my question.
What you were supposed to do?
What are you supposed to do when you get pulled over?
I was supposed to pull over. I just had a 4-hour surgery, and I'm just messed up.
So I'm surprised you're acting the way you are.
And that was it, officer. And I got pulled over.
I'm surprised you got to the point where you did, if that's really the case.
But the threat, officer, wasn't necessary.
What threat?
The settlement with the Long Beach Police Department exposed the failure of officers to follow protocol and respect the individual's rights. This was a stark violation of civil rights, and the department's inability to act appropriately reflects poorly on their professionalism. The necessary retraining underscores how much reform is needed.
The officer right here.
By law?
By law, he said he was going to hurt me. So what?
Yes, by law. Can you stop, Johnny?
Go ahead.
Did you know that?
Well, I know one thing.
Did you know that, yes or no?
Yes.
You did, but you're still questioning why we did that, because it's a threat, apparently.
But it was just a threat. I was going to comply with everything.
I want to let you know you're lucky you didn't get tased. I want to let you know you're lucky you didn't get pepper sprayed or thrown to the ground.
The incident serves as a powerful reminder of the need for accountability within law enforcement. It demonstrates how a failure to adhere to legal standards and procedures can lead to violations of citizens' rights. The legal outcomes, including the settlement, signal that there are consequences for misconduct. Several key legal violations took place during this interaction. First and foremost, the officer's use of excessive force was a direct violation of the Fourth Amendment, which protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. The threat of physical force, including the use of a taser and pepper spray, was disproportionate to the situation, which was merely a traffic stop. Additionally, the officers violated the Americans with Disabilities Act by failing to accommodate the man's medical condition. Law enforcement is required to make reasonable accommodations for individuals with disabilities or medical conditions, and the officers ignored the man's request for consideration. Moreover, the situation also involved a violation of the Fifth Amendment, which guarantees protection from coercion and ensures due process under the law. The man's rights were violated when he was threatened and forced into compliance without proper explanation or cause. Stay tuned as we uncover the troubling actions of the Jonesboro Police Department, where a simple traffic stop spirals into an unjust arrest.
What you doing, man?
Step out.
What are you doing?
Turn around.
What am I being arrested for, Odie? What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction.
For what?
The video highlights the disturbing pattern of harassment and wrongful treatment by the Jonesboro Police Department towards a civilian, Mr. M. The initial traffic stop, which begins over an alleged tailgating incident, quickly escalates into an unlawful arrest on charges of obstruction, despite Mr. Me's attempts to cooperate.
142 dispatch.
Oh, hell, this is bullshit. You know this is bullshit, right?
Turn around. I asked you 3 times to give me your information.
I gave it to you. It's in your hand.
You gave it to me once I came over here and told you to step out of the vehicle.
You know what you're doing is BS, man. How you going?
This way.
You know what you're doing is bullshit, Odie. This is an unlawful arrest, Odie.
Take a seat for me.
I'm being arrested for what?
Obstruction.
I did not obstruct.
Foot inside the car.
The officers involved in the incident from the very start appeared to target Mr. M unnecessarily. While the officer claims Mr. M was following too closely, there is no substantial evidence or clear explanation provided for this accusation. Mr. M denies the accusation, but the officer insists on pulling him over and demanding personal details such as his driver's license, registration, and insurance. it becomes evident that the officer is less interested in enforcing traffic laws and more focused on provoking a response. Mr. M's compliance is ignored, and when he questions the rationale behind the stop, the officer becomes more aggressive, escalating to the point of physical arrest.
What's a good phone number for you?
What am I being arrested for? I'm being arrested for obstruction.
Yes, sir. What's a good phone number?
How did I obstruct, Odie?
Are you going to tell me your phone number, Mr. Mobley?
What's the number for?
For your citation.
How did I obstruct, Odie?
What's your current address?
You know my address, Odie. It's on the driver's license.
You mind telling it to me?
It's on the driver's license.
All right. I asked you 3 times to provide me with your identification. I came over there and...
How was I obstructing, though, Odie?
His phone on the top, yeah. This is the one he had. I guess I'll take both just in case. I'm not sure. Mr. Mobley, anything else in the car other than these 2 phones you want?
Can you get my wallet? You gonna let me get it?
No, sir.
You still haven't explained to me how...
If you tell me where it's at, I can get it for you, but you can't get out and get it.
Can you call Papa John's and talk to Jason? Call Papa John's and talk to Jason and tell him I've been arrested.
Mr. M's arrest is deeply troubling. Handcuffed for obstruction, yet no clear justification is given. His calm demeanor contradicts the officer's claims, and the deliberate muting of body cameras is an alarming breach of transparency. Why would they hide critical moments? What are they trying to cover up?
Got the next 10-11? All right, I'm gonna get him out of here.
Yeah, Odie, I got a 3rd phone in there.
You got a 3rd phone in there?
Look at the driver's seat, get my 3rd phone.
The officer's actions blatantly violate citizens' rights. Arresting someone for obstruction without clear interference is deeply troubling. The suspect only questioned their actions, yet was treated as a criminal. This overreach raises alarm. How can we trust a system that punishes curiosity instead of protecting it?
No, sir, not yet. No, sir, not yet. Nobody harassing you. You harassing us. Mr. Mobley, at this point, I'm done talking to you. So you can continue to talk to yourself, but I won't be responding.
At some point, you gotta stand up for me.
142 to 150. Can you read me back his tag?
Muting body cameras during a police interaction is a serious violation. Arkansas's law, like many states, mandates that body cameras must be used consistently during any interaction involving an arrest. Mute functions are only allowed in specific situations, such as when discussing confidential information. Their use here seems designed to avoid accountability.
Can you loosen these cuffs a little bit?
You gotta take them off when we get inside. I can't take them off of you. We go to this middle door. Just have a seat on the bench. Obstruction.
Obstruction?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you loosen the cuffs?
I can get 2 fingers in both sides of these cuffs, so there's plenty of space and room. Have a seat.
From a legal standpoint, several laws appear to have been violated during this incident. First, the charge of obstruction under Arkansas's Code Title 5, Chapter 54, Section 554103 requires an individual to knowingly and willfully hinder the work of law enforcement. However, failing to provide identification after a single request does not meet the criteria for obstruction, especially when the stop itself lacks a lawful basis. Additionally, Arkansas state law mandates that officers wear body cameras during arrests and detentions. Muting the cameras during key moments undermines transparency and accountability, potentially enabling misconduct to go unchecked. Lastly, Mr. M's prolonged detention, coupled with the officer's failure to provide clear reasons for his arrest, could constitute false imprisonment under Arkansas law. If there was no legal justification for the arrest, this would represent a violation of Mr. M's rights to freedom from unlawful detainment. These actions highlight significant breaches of legal and procedural standards. As citizens, it's our responsibility to understand our rights to protect ourselves from any misuse of authority. Transparency and accountability are not just ideals, they are necessities for creating a society where everyone feels safe and respected. Without these, trust between law enforcement and the public can erode, leaving justice at risk.
We got this vehicle number.
Cut him a break. Cops do work for less.
106.
Cut him a break.
So it looks like they're giving them a sobriety test.
No.
Oh, what's all this for? Okay, all right. Where's his car keys? I come to get his car.
You're not taking his car. Step away.
Okay, why
Step
can't
away.
take his
Step
car?
away.
Well, why can't he take the car?
Come on, man. They're not letting him take his car. Come on now. Yeah, man. He passed that test, man, and they locked him up. But you know, they're not letting nobody take his car, man. So let me see if I can talk to him.
The filmer begins recording, capturing the police stopping an individual for a DUI. The filmer criticizes the police for their overreaction, especially when they decide to tow the car despite the presence of the individual's sister, who could take the car home.
The war on drugs is worse than the drugs themselves. What are you looking for?
Y'all, please keep videoing.
I got it.
Blacks out on alcohol. He overdoses on
Excuse me,
drugs.
ma'am. How are you? My name's Jay. How are you? I just saw everything that happened.
Okay, here, one second. Hold on. When the tow truck gets here, where do you live?
I live in Stafford, right across the bridge.
Okay, you can ask the tow truck because once it's called, it's already called.
Okay.
She can ask.
Hey,
that's awesome.
Can you make sure he's not planting nothing?
I got
Can
you,
you
I
keep
got
the
you.
video so make sure they're
I
not
got you.
planting nothing?
I got you.
I want to make sure they got the body camera on. Don't get close now.
Yeah, I can't get too close.
No, I just want the cameras rolling. I'm telling you. Black Lives Matter.
Hey, how are you, sir?
Yeah.
The filmer explains that the individual failed the DUI test, but the real issue is the police's aggressive behavior, particularly the decision to tow the car instead of allowing the sister to take it. The filmer implies the police are acting with unnecessary authority.
I know some of them don't think so, but I do.
You want to tell me to sit on the curb tonight? I know you're not, because I'm not going to sit on it.
So we got going on.
You have no idea. No. 6. I guess people are trying to take him to jail if they don't threaten nothing else.
He was arrested.
Hey, ma'am. So your brother wants you to take everything except his in it.
Oh, can you give it to her? Because I'm scared of you.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm scared of you.
Okay.
What did she say?
He wants her to take all of his property except the
You
inhaler.
can take it out the bag.
Oh,
besides the inhaler.
okay.
Officer, can I get your name really quick, just
He's
so I
the
know?
only one that's decent.
Wait, did you put the inhaler back? Did you take the
No, I
inhaler?
have the inhaler.
Okay.
Okay.
Officer, what's your name? I'm sorry.
Okay.
His change. His change is still
Okay.
there.
Here,
Okay.
take everything out.
I'm scared of them.
I just want to know who I spoke with for documentation. What's your name, officer?
I want to know.
And your name, sir? Sir, what's your name?
Officer Durham.
The filmer confronts the police about their refusal to let the sister take the car, calling it a blatant abuse of power. They demand to know why the car can't be released to a responsible person, particularly when the individual is being arrested.
Jerome, thank you. And your badge number?
348.
348. Jerome, really quick, and talking man to man, let me ask you, is there any way, huh?
You're interfering.
I'm in the middle of talking. I was just talking to him.
Not part of this investigation. Stand over there and video if you would.
Are you serious? I was in the as officer safety. Let me ask you something really quick. Can I ask you something, officer? Let me ask you something. You just said right now. Hold on. You just said really quick. You just said me and him were having a good conversation. You just said officer safety. Let me ask you something. How many people with cameras have killed officers in the past 10 years? Come on now, officer. I was just having a conversation with him. Come on now. Come on. All that officer safety, that's cowardism. That's cowardism. Come on now. You guys are public servants, and I'm talking to you as a servant. Okay? I'm in the middle of talking to my servant, and you come and you cut that off. You're the one that starts all this.
As the officers search the car, the filmer questions the police's motives and continues recording, raising concerns about their behavior. The filmer demands identification from the officers, a clear signal of distrust and frustration with their actions.
You guys start all this disconnect instead of helping. You guys are here to protect our rights. And look what you just did, bro. I'm in the middle of talking to a public servant, and you come and you cut that off, man. That's not right. In the middle of what? I was in the middle of talking to him. You cut it off. I was in the middle of talking to him, and you cut it off.
That's the drug search.
How was he busy? I was in the middle of talking to him, officer.
You came here, fool. Get in the truck and get the fuck out.
The fuck? He started freaking hooping and hollering at me.
All right, look, he's not doing nothing. Can I finish talking to him man to man? I was talking to him human to human, not officer to, not officer. Listen, not officer to citizen. I was talking to him human to human. All right, go. What are you going to say, officer? What are you going to say? Let's hear it. So what are you? You're not a public servant? What are, wait. You're not a public servant? And he's going to have to talk to me.
Didn't you ask me to drive the car home?
Yeah, he asked for the keys.
Hey, you can ask the cop. Hey, sir.
And that was early
Sir.
on.
That's what I was going to talk to him about.
The filmer accuses the officers of cowardice for using the officer's safety excuse to justify aggressive behavior. The filmer emphasizes that the officers are overreacting, citing how cameras have not killed officers in the past decade as an argument against their tactics.
What am I supposed to do? I tell them to leave, they don't leave. Guess what the next step is? I didn't spray none of these kids. I didn't tase none of these kids. Okay? Here's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you on body cam right now. He could be charged. I'm not going to charge him. I respect that you come here man to man and talk to me. He actually tried to get everybody to leave. So I can respect that, and I can cut him a warning for that. No problem. Okay?
So, like I said, I apologize, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, Glaze.
It never happened to me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Glaze, just let him know when we're stopping people, he's got to go, man. Okay, and you can cut him loose right now. This other kid's getting cited though. You don't know him? Okay. He's got to catch a citation for resisting.
Resisting? Okay.
Yeah. Hey, I'll write the report, just cut him the cite. These ain't mine, dude. Are they?
Yeah.
Are they? Okay.
You got two?
Yeah, I got the other, but those are Sierra's cuffs on him. Out of control.
The filmer passionately argues that the police are not showing empathy for the arrested individual who is already facing significant consequences. They urge the officers to let the sister take the car, showing a blatant disregard for empathy and understanding in favor of rigid procedure. This decision by the officers goes beyond simple enforcement of DUI laws and enters the realm of overreach. By refusing to let the sister take the car home, the police were acting arbitrarily and in violation of common sense and basic rights. The filmer's argument that this was an abuse of power is valid. The police had no legitimate reason to prevent a responsible adult from driving the vehicle home. In fact, under California Vehicle Code Section 22651, vehicles can be impounded if the driver is arrested for DUI and no responsible party is available to take the vehicle. However, the key word here is responsible. The police had the opportunity to exercise discretion and allow the sister to take the car, but they instead chose to assert their authority with an unnecessary and punitive action. Moreover, the police officers' refusal to engage in a respectful, reasonable conversation with the family and their insistence on towing the car for no justified reason undermines the trust the community places in law enforcement. The officers were not acting in accordance with their duty to serve and protect the rights of the citizens they are sworn to protect, but rather in a manner that reflects a disregard for fairness, common sense, and basic compassion. This case is a powerful reminder of the importance of knowing your legal rights. Up next, a shocking incident will reveal surprising errors made by the police. On June 29, 2023, Andy Balls was stopped by the police after accidentally backing his vehicle into a building. Although he had already made an agreement with the building's owner to compensate for the damages, the police still demanded that he provide identification ID. Andy asserted his right to privacy and refused to provide his ID, which led to a confrontation with the officers.
What crime did I commit?
Right now, failure to identify yourself.
So, what do you need my ID for? What is the crime I committed?
Because you were involved in an accident. I'm not saying you committed a crime right now, but because you're...
Why are you shaking, man? Are you alright? Are you nervous?
No.
You're shaking. That makes me kind of nervous, man. You're over there with all these guns and shit all suited up, and you're the one shaking. Are you alright, man? You see what's going on here? You see him shaking?
Yep.
Are you alright? Do you need medical attention?
No, what I want right now is for you to identify yourself.
That's what you want? That's nice. But if you want anything you want, you ain't gonna get it. I made a deal with that man right there.
Put your hands up on the car.
I said, hey, maybe...
Put your hands up on the car.
Okay? And I worked out with him that I will cover the damages. That has nothing to do with you. Nothing to do with you.
I still have to do a report.
Do your report. That's lovely.
Okay, hands up.
At this point, I wish to remain secure in my persons, papers, and effects.
The officers became increasingly aggressive, insisting that Andy either produce his ID or face arrest. Andy refused, emphasizing that the demand was a violation of his rights. He accused the police of overstepping their legal authority, calling them highway robbers, extorting him over an issue that had already been resolved.
Sir, I will charge you with assault and kidnapping. Not resisting? Why are you both up on me?
He's not on you. He's holding your arm.
I do not wish for this to happen, gentlemen.
You were Given a lawful order.
No, that's not an order. Yeah, dude, my wrist is backwards. Come on, man.
It's not backwards. It's on right.
It's not backwards. Come on.
It's supposed to be like this so you can't.
So I'm supposed to be like this and like break my wrist? Come on.
It's not broke.
No, but you're gonna go try and sit me down in the back of your car like that. You want me to break my wrist when I sit down?
It's not gonna break when you sit down.
Look at this. Am I even resisting? Is there a need for this, or is it just so that you guys can feel better about yourself?
Oh yeah, real good about myself.
You know, there's real crime in this city. There's like murder.
There is, like failing to identify yourself in your involved accident.
Identify as a crime. I want to see the charge for that. What charge is that? What law did I break by failure to identify? Let me see. Is South Dakota a stop and ID state?
Not
Gentlemen.
stopping an ID, you're involved in an accident.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Show me what law you're saying I'm breaking. You're over here throwing me in a car.
As tensions escalated, the officers used force to handcuff Andy, claiming he was failing to provide identification in an accident. Andy protested the use of force, accusing the officers of violating his constitutional rights and threatening to sue them for assault and kidnapping.
What happened?
So, Hussein, his mom's knocked on the door, came in, I was like, what's going on? She said, somebody just hit your building and then drove away. I was like, well, did you see where they went? Yeah, they backed in right over by the whatever deal, the restaurant. I was like, okay. So she sends me, I sent this to her already. She sends me, I said, do you have a picture of it? She goes, yeah. So she sends me that from the apartment they live in.
Okay.
So I walk over there, I'm looking around the truck, and she's walking back up. And as I was sitting there, the lady in the white car, she's like, can I help you? I'm like, is this yours? It's my husband's. Why? So he hit my building. I said, it's not a big deal. He just hit it. Just want to figure out what's going on. Well, let me back up. Right away she said, he didn't do that. He's been here forever. When did it happen? I said, oh, 10, 15 minutes ago. And she just came in my office. He's been here for a long time. That truck hasn't moved. So I called Weber and said, hey, somebody hit my vehicle or my office. They're claiming it didn't happen. So he comes out. Right away, yep, sorry, if I did it, I don't know if I did or didn't, but if I did it, I'll just fix it, take care of it. I'm like, oh, I'd be on home. Just put it on a year ago, I'll have him come back over and figure out what it's going to take to patch it. It's not going to be horrible.
The officers proceeded to investigate the building owner and the crime scene. According to the owner's account, Andy had asked for a compensation settlement and a sincere apology. However, it seems the officers weren't satisfied with just arresting Andy. Their subsequent actions raised serious concerns about their accountability.
He said you didn't identify yourself.
I identified myself to him.
Not according to him.
Okay, then he can go to court and we'll have this conversation in court. But I have nothing to do with you two clowns.
Yep, you're going to get a citation for leaving the scene of an accident.
Oh, I left while I was here the whole time?
Did you?
What was I not
Did you
here
go
the
in
whole time?
Did you go in the building and tell him that you hit a building?
I didn't know I hit the building, sir.
Okay, so now we're come out here and told you that you did.
Yeah, actually someone else came in there and told me that I did. And then I came running right out as soon as I was told that I hit someone's building. And I came out to see what was going on, and I told the man, hey, if it was me, I'm sorry, I fucked up. I will gladly fix it. What is it going to cost? I can fix it myself, or if you want to hire your guy to fix it, that's fine. I have no problem compensating damages of anything I've done wrong. I do have a problem with road pirates sitting here trying to extort me and waste my time.
The officers claimed that Andy's behavior violated South Dakota state regulations, but in this instance, his actions fell short of what could be classified as resistance. Rather than addressing their own mistake, the officers escalated the situation by attempting to charge him with resisting arrest.
What are you doing, man? Why are you being so rough with me? Oh, you're being so... Why are you throwing me around? Chill, I'll get in the car. Why don't you fucking relax? Oh, no, you just got to be a tough guy because you got me in handcuffs. You got that uniform on. The state gave you some title. You think you're king. I know. But why don't you calm the fuck down?
2-4, you want back up?
Just want her to come pick him up from the SO.
10-4, be right there.
Andy was taken to the police station, where he continued to challenge the officers' authority. He was not read his rights and insisted that his detention was an act of kidnapping. At the station, the officers issued him a citation, which Andy signed with a statement accusing third-party interference in the resolution of his private matter.
You did have a phone?
It is in my pocket.
Okay, so this is a PR, so you can call your wife and have her come get you any paperwork. Still the front door here. I'm gonna take one of them off. Okay, don't drop your phone. Pull it out. There you go. Come in and seat here quick.
This is what you want, right?
A little bit more.
Automated voice messaging system.
Already did. Okay.
Talk to right now, or would you prefer to talk to the one that kind of dealt with?
After receiving the citation, Andy requested the return of his property, which had been placed on the police car's hood and later went missing. Though he was told he was free to go, Andy refused to leave until his belongings were returned. The officer's actions during Andy's arrest raised significant concerns about potential violations of his Fourth Amendment rights, which protect individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. The demand for identification without clear probable cause, combined with the use of physical restraints, may constitute an unlawful seizure under the Fourth Amendment. Furthermore, the failure to inform Andy of his Miranda rights during the arrest could further weaken the legality of the officer's conduct. Under South Dakota law SDCL 32346, individuals involved in accidents are required to provide identifying information, but this generally applies to significant damage or injury. In Andy's case, where the damage was minor and he had already agreed to compensate the building owner, the officer's reliance on this statute may be legally questionable. Additionally, the use of handcuffs, despite Andy's cooperation, could be considered excessive force under both state and federal laws, violating the standards set by the Supreme Court in Graham v. Cotter, which requires that police use of force be objectively reasonable based on the circumstances. Violations of constitutional protections like these can lead to civil rights lawsuits under 42 U.S.C. SS 1983, allowing individuals to sue state officials for deprivation of their rights. If Andy pursues legal action, the officers could face civil liability and departmental consequences, including suspension or termination. This case underscores the importance of police accountability and adherence to constitutional principles in everyday interactions, highlighting the need for clear boundaries between law enforcement authority and individual rights. Andy's story highlights just how crucial it is to know your rights when facing the police. Now let's meet a man whose mistake will show you what a real blunder truly looks like. What do you think about this situation? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more engaging and insightful content. Your support keeps these conversations alive. Thank you for being part of our community.